I was born in Little Lake, Texas, and the first father to take me home was my grandfather. You are my child who is righteous and on the side of right. I was like, okay, I've got to get this same lady out of smart talk. So we started talking about the basics of cooking. And what I learned through Lish, much like my father, and as you know, the foundation of everything that we are, you have to just try. We became truly, undeniably sisters.
Tamron Hall, journalist and former co-host of The Today Show. She now hosts her own talk show.
Chef, food stylist, recipe writer, and Emmy Award winner all around, Lish Steiling! Woo! It was shot at my home in Sag Harbor.
And this cookbook is inspired by how you move on from grief, how you find your new sets forward, and how you find your people.
A paring knife, a serrated knife, and a chef's knife. That's all you need. And you can have a successful running kitchen. You have to taste. As a chef, like if I go in and do line checks and like I'm talking to the line cooks, it's, did you taste it? Like if I taste something and it's under seasoned and that line cook hasn't tasted it, come on, like that's you gotta go. Like that's part of the job.
If you wanted to make anything, it was in the Betty Talker book. And so I said to Lish, I really didn't want you to say one particular thing. I wanted you to be able to go in this book and at any point, it's like, I feel like making something. I want something different. You can go in the book and find it. It is the only cookbook with a gay woman and an ally on the cover.
Huh?